Hello everyone, for this episode we shall be doing a model and diorama build of the Megasize 1:48 Char custom Zaku 2 from Bandai. So we got runners of Char signature color, salmon pink, gray for the internals, the dark red, internals, rifle, polycaps, we have some black here for the feet. Everything's in color, but we're going to paint it later anyway, so okay. Chest area, shoulders, leg parts. It also includes an English pamphlet for beginners, a small mini magazine of Hobby Japan and Dengeki Hobby on inspiration on how to build the Megasize Zaku 2. This is good for the newbie modelers. And we have the manual. So here's the whole layout, a total of 19 runners including polycaps. It also includes a sheet of water slide decals and stickers. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick build to snap fit using a time-lapse video. So Bandai gave us this tool included in the model kit. It's supposed to be used in removing the parts, but we are planning to do it in the traditional way, so we're going to use the side cutters for the snap build. So after finishing the snap build, let's try to putty and sand the model. Let's fill in the gaps and remove the seam lines. After putting and sanding, let's try to prime the model. We'll use the colors primer red, primer black, and primer gray for this stage. So here is what the model looks after priming. Let's start painting the model. We are going to mask several patterns on the model by using the paints German Gray, Shine Red, and Character Yellow by Mr. Color. Let's start by masking the gray parts and masking the patterns as well. Airbrushing the first color, which is yellow. I'm trying to create a pattern, a cross pattern similar to Zeon's flag. Repeating the same pattern with the legs. We're masking the just painted yellow surface. Now we're spraying the gray part. After masking the green part, we're now painting the green part. After the paint has dried, we're now removing the masking tape to reveal the patterns. After removing the after removing the after removing the masking tape, we are now going to apply the decals. And now we are going to highlight the panel lines. We are using a technical marker to highlight the panel lines. Now that all the details are done, we are going to seal it with a clear coat spray. So we have finished the model of the Megasize 1:48 Zaku 2, and now we are going to do the diorama. First of all, we're going to need a wooden base. This is 10 by 10 wooden base painted in black, but we're gonna prime it later. And then we have some strip styrene made by Evergreen Scale Models. It's an angular bar and a styrene strip. Up next, we are going to have a pla rail by Tommy. It's one of those roads used for miniature trains, but we're going to modify this in order to have a 1:48 structure. And finally, I got this plastic bricks that can be joined together. So those four will be the core structure for the diorama. Let's start. We are going to mask and paint the walkway structure. So for the buildings, we got this 1:48 shop that is used for die-cast cars, die-cast toy cars. And then what we're going to do is try to detail it up, because the problem is this made up of stickers and lacks the realism for the model build and diorama build. So what we're gonna do is we'll try to strip them off, strip the stickers off, and then paint it for a more realistic finish. The two replica buildings will be joined together and modified. We are going to do that. We are going to do that by cutting and modifying styrene sheets. Strips will be used to cover up the gaps. We're making the sidewalk now using the high impact plastic sheet. Now that it's done, we're going to spray it up with primer grade. Then on to the base colors of the build. Coloring up the parts. After painting, let's remove the masking and add the details, and finally complete the whole diorama. And after all the work, here's the completed model and diorama. I'll leave you with some pictures. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.